Hello and welcome back. In this video, we will be installing DQS service, data quality services, on our SQL server. For that, this is a two-step process. In order to do that, first you need to install DQS services during the installation of the server. But if you haven't did that, uh, then what you will do? You will come here and in settings apps and whatever your SQL server is, search SQL and come here and say uninstall, and instead of uninstalling you will say add, and it will ask you where is your installation ISO file or media. You will click OK, and now it's running. It's taking some time. Let me pause this video and we will come back when it's done. So we have uh, we comes to this screen here, and simply click next, and here you will select add feature to an existing instance of SQL server. Feature to an existing instance of SQL server. I have two. I want my DQS to be installed on MS SQL server. But if you are performing first time, the next process will be the same. You just click here, perform a new installation, and click next. Okay, I don't want that. Next, and here you have a feature selection. When you come to feature selection, you will say here this one, data quality services. Select this one, and it will be installed. If you are installing new, you will click here and it will be installed. And if you are not if you are installing if you have installed a SQL server and did not install data quality service, you can do this by using this method. For now I will cancel it because I have a data quality service, so I will cancel, and yes. Now the second thing is we want to uh, configure uh, the data quality service. So in order to do that, go into the start menu, all apps, and here inside SQL server. This one SQL Server 2022, and here I have data quality server installer. So yes, this is asking for a password, that any kind of password to protect your data quality server or database. I will add a password here. Okay, okay, and now it will take some time to generate a database inside your SQL server. This process will take some time, but if this does not finishes, then there is something wrong with your installation SQL server. So I will come back when it's done. Let me pause the video, and when it's done, you will see it will DQ installer finish successfully, and press any key to continue. So it's done. Now we will open our SQL Server Management Studio and see whether it's installed or not. So if we go into databases, and you see we have these three databases: DQS main, DQS project, and DQS staging area. Uh, So the DQS is installed. Hope you understand. Thank you very much. Bye bye.